Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn a simple static photo into a cinematic motions video using only InShot. It's no fancy apps, no complicated editing, just one photo and a few keyframes and some rhythm. Alright, okay, let's get started. First, just open InShot like this, and then just import your photo like this, and then just import your music track, any song that fits your cinematic vibe. And once music's in, just play it and mark the beats by tap on the beats and then just mark your beats like this. We will use that beat to mark where you want to the zoom or movement to happen later. And next, it's time for motions. Just go to start of your photo and then add keyframes like this, and then move the timeline into the first bit and then zoom in a little like this, and then now tap on between two keyframes and then go to graph or S, this one, just tap on it and then choose the second graph like this. This will make the zoom smooth and natural, and then just repeat this process throughout your video. Every time the beat hits, add another keyframe pair and smooth it out with the same graph. This will create a beautiful flow of cinematic zoom that matches the rhythm of your music. Like this. And once all your motions is done, let's add some energy. Go to effects and then choose shake and then choose bass. Adjust the value as you like and then position it and then place this shake effect at the end of its zoom animations, especially where the beat hits hard. Okay, like this will give your cinematic photo edit that punchy professional feel. And then your video will look like this. And okay, that's it. You just turned a single aesthetic photo into a dynamic cinematic video, all inside InShot. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!